Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the error like you have been blocked from any kind of website if you see this interface. So I'll show you how you can fix that. Now first of all, open the website that you want to open. Let's say I want to go to Leonardo AI. Like this is the website. Let's say that this is the website that is giving me error. So just go to the website, whatever website is giving you error. Once you see this interface, as you can see, like I'm currently logged in. So if you say like if you see the error, what you can do is just click on these like cache lines. You can like inside this URL section, you will see on the left side these this option. Just click on this site information, and once you click here, you will see multiple options. So just go inside the cookies and site data, and once you click here manage on device site data, click on this one and just delete everything. This one, delete all these options as well. Just click on done. Once you have done that, after that you just again go to this section and just click on site settings, and once you click on site settings, just click on delete data and make sure to click on delete. And once you click on delete, also reset permissions. Once you do all that, all your cookies related to all your cookies and cache of the current website will be removed from the like from your browser. After that, you can just refresh or like close the Chrome and reopen it, and hopefully your issue will be fixed. And if you still face the issue, you can try some VPN extension as well. That depends on you, and hopefully you will be able to fix that issue. So that is a simple and easy answer of how you can do that.